John F. Kennedy once said, "Our progress as a nation can be no swifter than our progress in education." More than 3 decades later, his words still ring true. In today's complex world, we're finding success in life often begins with success in school.
College. It's about preparing for the future and success in the real world. But surprisingly, an increasing number of students are looking beyond their college curriculum for ways to develop their leadership skills outside the classroom.
One of the biggest things I tried to do at Purdue was to use the fraternity experience to supplement my education. And using that leadership experience early on, I was able to get a couple positions within the chapter and then try to gain additional leadership on campus. And it was a very good building block to be able to go to that next level and really kind of get involved on campus and really try to make a difference not only in the chapter itself, but on the campus as a whole.
Campuses offer a wide variety of extracurricular options designed to enhance college life. But for many young men, the decision to join a fraternity can be the best option. Plagued by negative stereotypes perpetuated by popular movies and television, fraternities actually make up the largest value-based leadership development organization within higher education, with nearly 300,000 active undergraduate members on more than 800 campuses in the U.S. and Canada.
As an undergraduate, I think I was looking for what a fraternity offers, home away from home, an opportunity to continue to get involved with groups, and an opportunity to continue to excel at the things I learned how to do as I was growing up. Today, we continue to provide those same opportunities despite the stereotypes that may be placed on fraternities and despite what you may see in the media. While students and student organizations have issues they have to face on a daily basis, those are far outweighed by the realities of what we provide our members.
We're all here to learn how to live our lives better through our ritual, to learn to become better students, to become better men, to become better citizens.
Fraternity membership provides students with leadership development opportunities while allowing them to belong to a close-knit social group that exists not only on campus, but also worldwide through an extensive network of more than 5 million alumni.
I started out in Pi Kappa Alpha, my fraternity, and quickly gained more experience and more knowledge as I went through that organization, and now I'm actually the current student body president at my university. So one thing that the fraternity provided for me was a support system or a family away from my own that enabled me to feel comfortable at my university and feel like I was a part of something. And honestly, I don't know that I would be still at my university had it not been for my fraternity experience.
I think they're more successful just because of the experience they have and the skills that you learn of being in a fraternity and how that translates into the real world. One of the biggest things, learning how to handle conflict, working with teams, overcoming adversity. When you have a member who is kind of against something that you might stand very strongly for, being able to work with them and either find a compromise or being able to show them why you're trying to rationalize something. And those are all things that you'll have to do once you get into the business world. And it's a lot of skills that you can transfer. So when you're able to learn that as an 18, 19, 20-year-old, and you're already a few years advanced on most of the other people that are coming out of school, it gives them a very good leg up towards being successful in life.
Although fraternity and sorority members only make up about 3% of the nation's population, an astounding number of the country's most accomplished business people and politicians are alumni of the Greek movement. Research has also shown that college success rates are higher among Greeks, due in part to minimum GPA requirements for fraternities and sororities and increased academic support through tutoring. Greeks are more likely to graduate and have higher grade point averages than their independent counterparts.
Actually, joining fraternity, I was not concerned because the fraternity in which I joined had an average GPA higher than the all-men's average for the university, so they could show us on paper that their GPA overall was better than the rest of campus. So knowing that and knowing the things that they can provide, such as a library of their own or a scholarship room or a program to where you have a mentor within your own major, ensured me that I would be very successful regardless of whether I joined or not.
In addition to leadership, academic, and social benefits, fraternities encourage their members to be actively involved in their communities by participating in philanthropic endeavors. In addition to the financial support they provide through fundraising, today's Greek students make up the largest network of volunteers in the U.S., providing more than 10 million hours of service each year.
Last semester, I was actually the philanthropy chair for my fraternity, and we nominated the Samuel L. Jones Boys and Girls Club of Metro Atlanta as our philanthropic organization. And what we started doing was going over there every Wednesday. We'd bring over 6 guys and we'd organize soccer drills, soccer games, that sort of thing, and just kind of hang out with the kids for an hour and a half. And that was probably one of the greatest experiences that I've had thus far.
Everything I do, not just because of my job, but all of the community service work that I've been involved in for the past 40 years, I've had the opportunity to do more things because of the people that I know and because of the people that I've met as a member of the fraternity. So it has just been of tremendous value to me and an experience that I wouldn't trade for anything.
For students and parents, considering fraternity membership can be an overwhelming process. Prospective members are advised to research the many options available on campus.
So really, you just have to go through the rush process. Give it a chance. If it's not for you, then no problem. You know, you had a good time, you got to meet a lot of new people, but at the same time, it could be something that could change your life.
The North American College Fraternity has contributed to the personal growth and development of values-based men for over 200 years. Fraternity membership is about expecting more from yourself and more from your college experience.
Many of the things that I've learned, whether it's moral character or business practice or anything like that from the fraternity, I will use for the rest of my life.
You can belong to this movement called fraternity and to a network of over 300,000 undergraduates and over 5 million alumni around the world. Fraternity membership is an experience unlike any other you will find on campus. These men commit themselves to a set of values and beliefs that guide them for the rest of their lives.
We hope this program has been an inspiration to you and all you hope to achieve. Be sure to join us next time as we continue to profile the people and ideas changing the way we live. I'm Lou Gossett Jr.
Find out what belonging to a fraternity can do for you at fraternityinfo.com.